how to add subtitles on IPTV Smarters Pro. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, make sure to log in into your IPTV Smarters Pro and put right here your login details such as your name, username, password as well URL, and click onto this add user in order to log in. Now once you have done that, and if you actually have some subtitle errors, what you can do is just head over and then navigate to the playback controls. You can use your remote or device controls to bring up the playback menu and then just locate the subtitle settings. After that, select and enable subtitles. Just choose your preferred subtitle track from the available option. Other option that you can do is just access the app settings by going to settings and then player settings. You can adjust your preferences such as font size, color and language of your subtitle. Then after that, save your preferences. It may be because the subtitle is just blurry. In here we can also troubleshoot issues, so not all content may have subtitles, and on some devices the subtitle menu might be hidden off screen. For instance, on certain LG TVs, users have reported that pressing the right arrow and then OK can reveal the hidden subtitle menu. So we also have limited subtitle option, and the font size option is selectable with other settings inaccessible. For the alternate solutions, we can use external players, check for updates, and contact the support of IPTV themselves. So that's basically how you can add subtitles on IPTV Smarters Pro. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.